Roadside ditches are cleared with V-shaped bucket. This is electric cone roaster which can roast 6 cones at a time. Specially designed boat conveyor belt used to carry out boat from water. In 1980s, this type of ancient irrigation system was used that was operated by bulls. This dog enjoys running in giant hamster wheel. This man needs extra security. Instead of a button, he uses nut bolt. This is homemade automatic baby cradle that works on 12-volt Viper motor. A portable electric mini bicycle that can be folded for easy storage. On a single charge, it can be run 20 to 25 km. Hydraulic powered fifth tire adjusted on tractor makes it easier to turn in less space. Spray foam insulation works as high quality insulation product that helps lower energy bills by reducing air leakage. One of the most dramatic finishing effect is burning wood to bring out the grain. Jar rock crusher are used in mining and recycling. For making vegetable bundles, a mini strapping machine is must-have thing. A playing card splitter distributes cards in gameplay with a given set of players in random order. A brick maker is forming a brick by filling clay into mold. A cotton harvester picks cotton as well as makes bundles. Tree excavator cuts and collects tree to lay down at another place. Material handlers can carry material from 9 to 40 meter reach. Its container bucket can serve with high degree of stability. To create fastest balcony design, these rubber molds are filled with concrete. Hydraulic powered lifter helps to load crops residue, which makes work easier with less manpower. A special JCB bucket removes the damaged road concrete easily. Hay thresher makes the perfect output that is used as animal feed. A specially designed equipment that is perfect for making uniform sized chicken balls. Rebar bending machine can bend heavy duty metal like iron, steel bar and TMT. This is blanket roll packing machine that folds blanket into roll. Intelligent gas cooking that ensures the food cooking without burning. To carry pesticide pipe to a distance, these rollers play an important role. A flame gun makes perfect poly packaging. Poly bedsheet is being cut at specific distance so that seeds can be grown. Brick trowel can be used to make perfect half cut.